Hello, my name is Angelo Scalouris and welcome to my screencast. Well, I will be showing you my personal brand. This is my personal web page. As you can see, I have the first page. The first page is the home where I explain things about my life and how why I chose Stony Brook and why I'm here. In the About Me section, I explain my life and how basically I ended up at Stony Brook University. In my resume page, you can find my resume by clicking on the link here or clicking on the picture. My activities are my hobbies, basically. I explain things that I love to do and hope to and show to my potential employers that I'm really creative. In my achievements here, I list uh, some of the few of my achievements. Unfortunately, I haven't had the chance to stack up many achievements since I moved here quite recently. Here's my LinkedIn page, my LinkedIn profile, which again is kind of bare since I haven't done many things that I would like people to know. And my ePortfolio, where I publish the essays I've written in my Writing 102 class, which you can find here. This is my Facebook page, which here my Facebook page you can see uh, some of the pictures, not all the pictures I've posted. Uh, there are not that many since I don't really use Facebook, which, as I said in my essay, I don't really like to use it. But still, these are the few pictures that I have. Here are some of the comments people make. Since today was my name day, they like to wish me things. So yes, this is me.